Hello growers, welcome to the Wormy Garden. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to grow green beans in small spaces. Green beans are one of the easiest and most rewarding veggies you can grow, and the best part, you don't need a big garden to enjoy fresh homegrown beans. Whether you're using a container on your patio, a raised bed, or a balcony grow bag, this video will take you through growing green beans from seed to harvest. We'll dive into the differences between bush and pole beans, talk about their sunlight and watering needs, and even chat about trellising if you need it. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, choose your variety. Bush beans are compact and perfect for containers. On the other hand, pole beans need vertical space and a trellis to climb. Next, it's planting time. After the last frost, plant your seeds directly into the soil. Sow them about 1 inch deep and 3 inches apart. If you're using a pot, a 12-inch one is great for bush beans. For pole beans, opt for a grow bag with a trellis. Place your beans in full sun. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Now let's talk watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. And a pro tip, avoid watering the leaves to reduce the risk of fungal issues. Fertilizing is next. Add some worm castings to your soil mix and boost with compost tea every 2 to 3 weeks. This keeps your plants happy and healthy. When your green beans are 4 to 6 inches long, it's harvest time. Regular harvesting encourages more pods to grow, so keep picking and you'll have a continuous supply. Watch out for pests like aphids and spider mites. If you spot them, a quick spray with neem oil should do the trick. And there you have it, your guide to growing green beans in small spaces. Bush beans will be ready in about 50 to 55 days, while pole beans take a bit longer, around 60 to 70 days. Liked what you saw? Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your garden crew. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.